Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going ahead and we are partnering with Ishowbeauty hair company, and they sent me this wonderful wig in the inches, 24 inches, and this is the loose deep wave wig. Now this is one of my favorite loose deep wave wigs. I've never really like gotten into loose deep wave hair because I like curly hair. Y'all know this. I like big hair, curly hair, and loose deep wave usually always is like thin looking, giving 3 strands in a ponytail. I like to have like full hair, and it's still kind of damp right now, but as you guys can see, like this is very full, beautiful for 24 inches, like period. I freaking love this hair. For this video, it's literally just gonna be me showing you guys a little bit of the install, like customization. I didn't show me gluing it. If you guys want an updated install video for 2021, the products that I use and everything like that, and the methods that I've been using, because I do my baby hairs differently now. If you guys want to see that, then I will go ahead and make that video for you guys. Just don't forget to like this video so I know what y'all want, or comment it down below. It lays right here, and I am 5'8.5", so it's right here, like right under my boob. It is a 13 by 4 inch frontal, so this is the parting space here. The length is pretty good. The only thing I didn't really care for was like the lack of space on the side, but that's what you get for 13 by 4 wigs. Like, it's just gonna be like that. If you guys want to go ahead and watch and see how I customize the wig a little bit, I will see you guys at the end.
Ghost Crew.
Darling, I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you cry. Yeah.
Western on the track, Western on the track, Western on the track.
But I just gotta be honest. Darling, I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you cry. Yeah. I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Darling, I don't wish you well. When you ain't with me, I want you cry. Yeah. I know it's wrong, but I just gotta be honest. Pick me up, don't know if it's what I need, but it's what I want, gotta never be. Yeah. Pick me up, don't know if it's what I need, but it's what I want, gotta never be.
Yeah, I was just kind of showing you guys how I did like my baby hairs a little bit. If you guys noticed, I had like the flip over method as opposed to like the middle part. I just wanted to try out the middle part today, so that is the reason why I have a middle part in my head. And then I added like this little baby right here because I figured, why not? I've been seeing other people doing it, and if, like I said, if you guys want to see an updated video of how I do installs and how I like do my baby hairs and stuff, I'll be happy to do that for you, period. Like, it just looks so pretty, y'all, and I'm so excited to share this hair with you guys because I do not like to wear loose deep wave hair. Like, I don't. But this is the best loose deep wave hair I have ever tried. Comment down below what you guys want me to do, because I will be happy to do it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through. Again, we want to give a huge shout out to Ishow Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. It is amazing. I love it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.